Hi guys, thanks for joining Makeup Monday. I hope you're having a great start to your week. Today there's a few things I want to talk about. One is I just bought a new Real Techniques sponge. It's been out for a long time, but it's new to me, and it's supposedly like a dupe for the Beauty Blender. I've not ever tried the Beauty Blender, so I don't know how well it would compare to this, but this is my first time trying this. I'm excited. I kind of wanted to do a get ready with me just with the foundation and this sponge. So let's go ahead and get started. The other thing I wanted to talk about, and I've already primed my face by the way, is a concealer that I bought, Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. So this one is the neutralizer and it's number 150. See how it applies? I like to do the dab dab dab. I stayed up till 2 last night doing homework and pretty exhausted, and so I wanted to show you guys this concealer and what I do when I stay up. I decided to use the flat end. It's kind of dirty, but it's interesting. I like this flat, large surface area for bouncing it into my skin. And then you've got the pointy area, so you can get the little areas. It distributes product well. I like it. I like using this wet or damp. It's fun. So first impressions, I really like it. This was $5.99 plus tax, and so it's a great sponge if you're on a budget and you just want to have a sponge that works similar to the Beauty Blender. The Beauty Blender has patent technology or whatever, so it's not the same, but I like it and I think I'm going to keep using it, so that's exciting. Now on to this product, this concealer. I'm going to go ahead and use it. I like to make this little upside down triangle shape right here when I'm trying to cover up my baggy under eyes that are exhausted at school. And I put it up here because I have like little divots in my forehead that like are shadowy. And then I put it right here. Right there. Because I got weird nose spots. Back to the little Real Techniques sponge. I put it down and it pulls product away while smoothing it around. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be back. Hello, I've got my face on, I am back. We are ready to talk about the ingredient of what is in the concealer. Okay, so it is interesting because I was just going to look on the back and pick out just an ingredient from the list on this packaging, and I looked at the front and it says concealer plus treatment with haloxyl right here, and I thought that was interesting because I'm thinking, I don't know what haloxyl is. I don't know if the average person knows what haloxyl is. What does that even mean? And so I looked it up. Apparently it's a synthetic blend designed to reduce the appearance of under eye darkness, and it is caused by broken capillaries underneath of the eyes. What this is supposed to do is to help boost the circulation and remove accumulated hemoglobin, apparently. It's interesting. I looked at the back. I was like, okay, so how much haloxyl does it have in it? When you read an ingredient list, the top thing is going to be the thing with what the product has most in. And so I was looking through, and I read the whole list, and haloxyl wasn't in the list at all. And so I was like, well, now I'm really confused. So I did some research, and apparently haloxyl has like 7 ingredients within it. So it is a blanket name for a bunch of other ingredients. Go figure. And so I got down to the bottom of it. Apparently it is palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7. And the most crazy thing about this is it's at the very bottom of the list. It's the last ingredient on the list, which means it has the least amount in it. And so to market this that it has haloxyl in it, I'm like, oh, okay. One, a lot of people don't know what haloxyl is. 2, how can you market that it has it in it when it barely has any? It probably has like, I don't know. Anyway, that's not very cool. I wasn't too happy about that. I was like, oh, okay. And so it's, you know, instant age rewind. It's supposed to be on your eyes and lift it, and I thought it was interesting that it's caused by broken capillaries, and that's why you have the dark circles under your eyes. And I think that this kind of helps. It's not the best thing. My favorite thing so far has been actually from Wet n Wild, and it is their concealer. I think this is in shade Fair. It's like their lightest one because I want to brighten instead of just cover up. And I like it because it's a little more tacky, and it's thicker, and it's got this doe foot applicator. I just like it. And when I like to set underneath my eyes, it seems to soak in, my powder soaks into my under eye better and gives me a more flawless look. And so, suppose that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a different and interesting find for me, and I hope that you find it as interesting as I did. And let me know what you want to see next week, and I will be talking to you later. Thanks. Bye.